guys, it's Katie and we are in week 5 of the Summer Shape Up series. I just have to say, this is the longest we've ever done a LSF challenge. So our Spring Slim Down Challenge, we extended to make it 5 weeks and you guys crushed it. So this year we're going even longer, even stronger, because I know you have it in you. You did the 5 weeks in the Spring Slim Down. We're at 5 weeks right now. This is not the time to give up. I want you to recommit right now. Get ready for these last 3 weeks. You guys are gonna kill it, and there's those amazing prizes waiting for you at the end. So today we are doing a workout that is gonna target all of those pesky little things like cellulite, hip dips, love handles. It's gonna really hit it all. But first, let me just say, like, those are just part of any woman's body. We all have them. Yes, you can work on building different muscle groups so that you can maybe reshape a little bit of the hips, and you can work on reducing cellulite through exercise and diet. But at the end of the day, we just need to love our beautiful bodies and make them the strongest that we possibly can. So that is what we're doing. If you're ready for it, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started on the mat. All right, you guys, so Allie and I are gonna be using the booty bands from the LSF Booty Band Kit. Again, if you haven't grabbed them yet, get them. The link is below. You get 3 different resistance. We're gonna start with the light today, but if you're feeling a little frisky, step it up a bit. And Natalie's gonna be going no bands, so you can follow along with her if you're at home and you don't have yours yet. We're gonna start with them right around the ankle. Actually right around the knee. So pull it up just a bit, just above the knee. Come onto your side body. You're gonna bend your lower leg and extend your top leg out. Core is tight and locked in. This one is going to really get into those love handles. It's gonna get into the outside of the hip for those hip dips and the outside of the booty for any cellulite you might have there. So from here, you're gonna lift the hips, squeeze, lift the leg up, tap the toes and lower down. We go up, lift, tap, and lower. Lift, up, tap, and lower. Good. Up. Squeeze. Oh my gosh, I feel it already, you guys. Lift, tap, and down. Good. Up, lift, tap, down. Let's do 4 more on the side. For 3, 2, last one. Keep those hips high. Just lift the leg. Lift, up, tap, up. Woo! 8, 7. Feel that burn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let it go. Ooh, shake that out. Hi. Outside, saddlebags be gone. Oh my goodness. All right, roll it over. Same thing, different side. Extend that leg. You're gonna lift, up, down, down. Good. Hips, leg, tap, lower. Lift the hips, lift the leg, tap the toe, lower the hips, up, down. Good. Woo! Did you guys have fun doing that dance workout last week? Oh my gosh, Allie, seriously? Every time I hear that song now, I just break out in a little dance. Tap. Good. Up. Lift. Woo! 4, 3, 2. Then those leg lifts. 1. Hold it. Tap and lift for 8, 7, 6. Squeeze the abs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go. Woo! Let's just stretch it out for a sec. Hi. I know. All right, so come back down, staying on the side for a moment. Tuck your knees in a little bit tighter. You can keep your toes on the floor, or you can lift them to hover wherever you are at. You're just gonna open, keep the toes touching each other, and close. Open and close, little clams. So you're getting the outer thigh, some inner thigh, because I want you to resist. Don't let that band just pull the legs together. Slow together. Out, in, out. 8, 7, plus those obliques, right? You feel it? 4, hi. 3, 2, and 1. Roll it over. Right into it. Open and close. Open, close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. After that last move, oh my gosh, 1, last one, let it go. Coming onto your knees. If you have the booty band, bring it around your feet. Just right under and on the tops. Back into a tabletop. We have donkey kick. So if you're using the band, you do not need to kick your leg super high and far back. Keep it small. The goal is all about feeling that resistance. So stacking here, core is locked in. Weight is even between both hands. Let's start on the left heel. It's gonna kick back just to squeeze, hover, press, in. Kicking back and up, You can really kick that foot out, extend the leg behind you. Don't even worry about going super high. Push it out. Push it out. 8, 7, 6. Find your layer. 4, 3, 2. Hold it up on one, little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch it out, moving right into it. Kick back and in. Good. Back and in. Back. Lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up, little kicks. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Bring that band around your ankles and come all the way onto your tummy for dolphin tails. So we have a couple movements with this one. You're gonna rest your hands on your chin. You're gonna lift your legs. It doesn't have to be high, you guys. It's not like way up high. Just enough to feel everything in that lower body engage and squeeze. So you're gonna lift, you're gonna bend, press the heels toward the sky, and then extend and lower the whole thing down. Lift straight legs, bend the knees, press and lower. Lift up, bend the knees, press, lower down. Up, bend, press, and down. Lift. Good. Woo! Hi, booty. You get that lower back with those love handles. Lift, bend, press, and lower. Lift, bend, press, and lower. 4 more. Good. 3, 2. I promise you're gonna feel this even if you don't feel like you're moving much. It's working. Now hold it up, press the heels toward the sky. Lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Child's pose, let it go. Woo! Yes, girl. And breathe. All right, you guys, so I know, but you have 3 more rounds. I know that booty is feeling it already, but honestly, if you can only squeeze in 1 or 2 rounds here and there, you are gonna feel it. You're gonna get stronger. You're gonna be working on all those trouble spots. And at this point, like week 5, I know it's getting a little tough, but the only way that we can do it is together. So stay strong. Grab your girlfriends. If they haven't done the challenge yet, that's okay. Get them to join you right now to finish strong. I am like loving having these 2 back this summer. It's been so much fun. Loving doing it with you guys. So
we love it too.
Good,
yeah.
Yay. So don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. We'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.